I just heard the Honorable Minister's reply, in which he has bracketed all non-ruling parties as opposition. I would like to clarify that we were not involved in any coal scam, so you should clarify that. First thing, ma'am, the coal production, increase in coal production should also keep the humane angle in view. In Orissa, in my constituency in Talcher, where the minister himself has visited several times, many villages are being uprooted without any proper notice, and jobs have not been offered in the old villages where they were displaced earlier. Jobs have not been offered by Mahanadi Coalfield Limited, and today they are being removed to places in other panchayats where there is social friction. The MCL, the ministry is not taking care. So being inhuman just to ensure proper coal production and not taking care of the people is not a development. Development should be for people, not for companies. This is the opinion. I would like to know if the minister would take care and instruct the state government and MCL to take care of the people who are being displaced right now, today. They are being displaced today, madam.
Madam Speaker, at the outset, I would like to clarify that I had not bracketed all the opposition parties. It was the parties who were in power before the Modi government came in. As regards culture, I'd like to reassure the Honourable Member and the August House to you, Madam, that this government is extremely sensitive to the interests of the poor, to the deprived and sections of society in rural India who have to forego their land or their normal livelihood for encouraging coal production, and every step is taken to ensure their well-being and their proper resettlement. Every village that has to forego land is in consultation with the state government. The district administration takes the final call on that. Mahanadi Coalfield Limited cannot, and I repeat, cannot arbitrarily take any village away for coal mining. However, if there are any such cases, I will have them examined. The important thing about jobs that we raise, there is a set criteria for jobs. Any villager who loses 2 acres is provided a corresponding job in the company. But it is not possible often to accommodate all the problems, it is not possible always to accommodate all the people from one village necessarily in the same mine where that village is located. And therefore a little bit of relocation is a natural part of the business. Coal India is one entity. It has several subsidies. We try our best to keep the people within the subsidy, not necessarily within a particular mine of its choice. I'm also happy to share with the Honourable Member that this government, led by Prime Minister Modi, has introduced the District Mineral Fund. And this has been a revolutionary step where 30% of the royalty is given directly to the local district administration, and the DMF is administered by the local people for the welfare activities in the local area. Lastly, ultimately when coal production increases, it is the state which gets the total royalty and the money out of auction. Center does not keep 1 rupee out of it.
क्या मिक्सर ग्राइंडर से हमारे को रोजगार मिलेगा? क्या मिक्सर ग्राइंडर देने से या कोई और आकर कहेगा फ्री में ये ले लो? मैं आपसे कह रहा हूं कि अपना वोट फ्री में मत दो।